with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And here's the view looking off to the south right now. Whoa, look at that big lightning strike right now. This is live from our Guntersville sky camera. Again, this is off to the south. Look at all that lightning. So yeah, still some big storms as we look off to the south from Lake Guntersville. But take a look at this. This is kind of too good not to share. This is a time lapse from that same camera between 6 and 9 o'clock here this evening when we had quite a few storms. And watch this big wall of rain, quite a bit of lightning, and even some gusty winds. So here you go. You can see it kind of coming in. I'm going to step off screen so you can get this in full effect. Again, you can see it right here and just getting enveloped in all of that heavy rain right there. Boom. Again, this was right around about 7, 8 o'clock tonight. And of course, that continued all the way up until about 9:30 this evening. And then finally, towards the end of this time lapse, we're starting to see some clearing. But still, even at this hour, quite a bit of lightning off to the south. So again, it's been a very active evening, especially for parts of Marshall and DeKalb County. What we're seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Again, all that lightning that we were just looking at on the Guntersville sky cam. You can see it right there, closer to Ottawa in Cherokee County. We'll put this in animation over the last hour. The worst now exiting places like Marshall and DeKalb County, but again, still some pretty strong storms just off to the south and southeast. These are all slowly moving to the east and southeast at about 20 to 25 miles per hour. We still have that flash flood warning in effect where we saw 3 to 4 inches of rainfall. Produces quite a bit of runoff, so that's still working its way through a lot of those creeks and streams, especially closer to Crossville and Collinsville. And we still have more rain to go here heading through this weekend. What came through tonight was technically not the cold front. That was just a little boundary out ahead of the main cold front, so we can still see some widespread storms with gusty winds, heavy rain, even a little bit of hail is possible. And there's also that concern for additional flooding on top of what we've already seen so far today, and even a low chance for some severe storms. It's a very low chance, but it's not zero. Day planner for tomorrow, we are only expecting highs up to the mid 80s, maybe a few hot spots to the upper 80s, but that's still plenty of warming to get those storms going for the day tomorrow. So look at future radar. This goes to the overnight hours into about 8 o'clock on Saturday morning. A few lingering showers and storms even possible in the middle of the night. But then you'll notice how future radar really starts to pick back up closer to 2 and 3 o'clock. We see the pinks on the map. That's indicating some very heavy rainfall, some gusty winds, and even the possibility for some hail. Then by 11 o'clock tomorrow evening, still tracking some showers and storms, and that will continue into your Sunday, maybe a little bit of a lull through the late morning hours, but right around 3, 4, 5 o'clock, another big round of storms moving in from out of the southwest. So where you see the purples on this map, that's indicating closer to 2 to 2.5 inches of rainfall. Even the brighter blues, that's about 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. So again, a lot more rain to go over the next 3 to 4 days. Your 7-day forecast, you'll notice highs in the mid 80s all the way through your Sunday. And then as the rain chances start to drop back off by Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday, look at the temperatures. Yeah, we're back up into the mid 90s as we head through early August. Dan?
Thanks, Rob. A familiar face in this